Here we are in San Clemente, and today you can see we had a nice view of the ocean. We are starting to sand down this floor. It is an older distressed floor, cherry floor, as you can tell, and we're going to be smoothing it out. The reason it needs to be redone is you can see there's a lot of fading. Unfortunately, it happens with all the sunlight coming in. You can see where the rug used to be. We're going to be doing this living area right here, even more fading on this end, as you can tell. Entry point. Going to be working on this kitchen here. Here I am in San Clemente. This floor was done on Thursday. You can see, hello puppy. Took them actually 2 days. It was aiming for 3, but they managed to pull it off in 2 days. This was a deep Brazilian cherry, and now it's been resanded and refreshed. A couple of boards had to be replaced, only because unfortunately things happen. And it came out really nice. A little squeaky because I'm wearing shoes. But there we go. Perfect.